Hi, this is Bob with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with you on this new 2020 Harris 250 Sunliner. It's a beautiful boat, French gray upholstery, French gray seagrass, in-floor storage for your skis and tube toys. We've got a nice helm. This is the dual helm seat version. You've got helm seats, two of them with the bolsters, real nicely laid out, and you got the single lounger behind it, which can go either direction, forward or back. This one's powered by a Mercury 200 Verado. It has a ski tow bar, and it has the safety chains here on the back so that you can get out and then ride back here and enjoy it. This one comes with a 12-foot bimini up top, so plenty of shade. Great boat for you and your family. Not good helm with a JL audio, and it has a GPS speedometer, depth finder. Get you where you need to go and get you out on the water. So come see us here at Osage Beach. My name's Bob with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and my phone number is 573-606-3212. Thanks.